to start with the new lesson, that is lithosphere. Do you all know what do you mean by lithosphere? Litho means rock. So let me give the meaning and importance of the lithosphere. Here, the outermost solid layer of the earth is known as lithosphere. I already said you, lithos means it is called as a rock. So this layer is very thick, and the continent thick in the continents and quite thin under the sea floor. Continent means what? On the land mass, and inside the water it is very thin. So also what all the materials are consist in the lithosphere is, those are the rocks, minerals, soils, etc. And the life exists on this layer with the help of the atmosphere and the hydrosphere. Do you all know what do you mean by atmosphere? Atmosphere means what? It is called as a gases. Hydrosphere means it is called as a water. And continents are part of the lithosphere, where different land forms, like what all we can see the mountains, we can see the plateaus, we can see the plains, etc. are found in the lithosphere. Now Earth's interior, do you all know? We know only thing the upper layer. What is the inside the earth? So our planet Earth is more than 4.6 million years old, and still it possesses of changing. We can see the many things changings on the earth as well as the inside the earth, and man is in quest means still he is in search of understanding this change, and he wants to know more about the inside the earth. What is there inside the earth? So man is still in that search. What is inside the earth is still a mystery for man. Means still he wants to know more about what is there inside the earth. So with years of study and research, human beings are able to get information about the materials inside the earth itself, and up to 10 to 12 kilometers going beyond its depth, it is very difficult due to increase. So when we as depths as will be going inside the earth, the temperature will be increasing means it will become more warm, and to understand more about our earth's interior, humans are depend on indirect evidences. Indirect evidences means what? Proofs such as seismic waves. So where seismic waves are called as an earthquake. So volcanic materials. So how the volcanic it is erupted. So still they are in search of the evidences itself. So with available evidences and all, with available proofs and all, they came to an end. And the earth's interior comprises of various materials. So various materials are there in the different form. On the basis of density of materials, chemicals, composition and physical state of matter, the earth's interior is classified into three main layers, that is the crust, the mantle and the core. So what is there? The crust is the uppermost layer of our earth. So rich in silica means what? Glass, aluminium and magnesium. The depth of this layer is around 60 kilometers from the surface. And in the upper part of the crust, only lighter materials are found. It is called as an sile. Sile means silica and the aluminium, or continental crust. The lower part of the crust is rich in silica and magnesium, so it is called as an sima, or oceanic crust. Oceanic crust inside the ocean, what we find, it is called as an oceanic crust. And the next one, that is a mantle. The second layer of the earth is called as a mantle. So the mantle is the second and the middle layer of the earth. The depth of this layer is up to 2900 kilometers from the surface. So the materials are in semi-liquid or partly molten state, which is called magma. Means they are in the form of a liquid, not so thick, not so too much liquidy, but it is called as a semi-liquid. And the mantle is composed of dense and ridged rough, which has predominance, so more of minerals like magnesiums and iron. So the mantle has again two parts, that is an upper mantle or the asthenosphere is partly in a mantle condition, and the lower mantle are the mesosphere is in a solid condition. And the contact zone of the crust and the mantle is called as an mohorophic, that is a discontinuity or a moho, while the border that separates the mantle from the core is called as an Gutenberg discontinuity. Hence here the rocks are different in chemical composition from those below and above. And the next layer of the earth is the core. So in this is the innermost layer of the earth. So the depth of this layer is up to 6,371 kilometers from the surface. So the most important minerals of this core are nickel and ferrosis, that is an iron. So it is known as an Nephi. So the core is divided into again two sub-layers. The outer layer is known as an molten core, whereas the materials are in the liquid and in the molten form. The second one, that is the inner core, known as an solid cores. So this is about the meaning and importance of the lithosphere and the earth interior and the composition. So the earth, inside the earth we were seeing the three layers, that is the crust, the mantle and the core. So the uppermost layer, on what we are standing, that is called as a crust. So and in that crust, what are the minerals we are getting? We are getting the silica, aluminium and the magnesium in this layer. And the next second layer is that is called as mantle. So in this the materials are in the form of semi liquid. Okay, and the next layer is the core. So here the core, it is called as an innermost layer of the earth, and its depth is of this layer is up to 6,371 kilometers. Again here it is divided into two, that is an outer core is known as a molten core, and the inner core, it's called as a solid core. Even the mantle, that layer also is divided into two, the upper mantle and the lower mantle. And in the lower mantle it is in a solid condition, in the upper mantle it is in a molten condition, that is called as an in the liquid form. So this is about the meaning and importance of the lithosphere and the earth's interior of the lithosphere. So in the next class again I'm going to continue with my same lesson, students. Thank you.